One of the things that attracted us most about Sean's operation, Living Stone, was that they were vertically integrated. And by that I mean you have a builder, and they include also, in addition to the builder, an interior designer. And in addition to the interior designer, they have a furniture store. So it becomes a seamless kind of experience, kind of a one-stop, shop for everything, rather than chasing around trying to find all of this when you're new to a city like we were to Asheville.
We went on the Rambles website, and they had a bunch of builders, and we were drawn to Sean. And we wanted to get away from the traditional homes that we had lived in, and Sean had the contemporaries that really appealed to us. When we chose to build the house, it was during COVID. And it could have been a horrible experience, but they worked through it and worked with us, and it came out right on time and right on budget. So what could have been a very bad situation turned out to be just fine because of their professionalism, I believe.
And that was evident right in the first meeting, seeing all the checklists that Sean, had for how you build a house and what to expect every step along the way. I mean, he had a roadmap almost to the day of when we would move in the house, kind of working backwards from when we signed the initial contract with him. And then, then it's actually making it happen on the ground. And that's where guys like our construction manager, Mike, he made the process as painless as possible. I mean, we weren't here for all of the build. We were here for some of it. But we didn't miss a week where Mike didn't send us photographs. So we had everything from digging a hole to, putting a wall switch in.
Which is wonderful when you're not on site, when you're in another city and you get these photos every day of your home, of your future home. That is such a wonderful bonus. And if we texted him about anything, he was right back to us. So they're just a great cohesive team, and we're really glad we went.
Yeah, that makes it painless. One of the things that makes Living Stone different, a lot of people can build a house, but they take it to the next level. It's a culture. It's an attitude that everybody has, from Living Stone to the ideology people. Everybody, brings that, that caring kind of element to it, pride in the homes that they build and the quality that they deliver.
Having a home that's Indoor Air Plus certified is very important to us. Knowing that the air we breathe in is clean and non-toxic makes us feel very secure.
When you get to a certain age, like our age, wellness becomes really important. And the fact that there aren't the toxins and there aren't the things, and we are certified for having a clean air kind of house, it just makes you feel like you're doing the right thing for your body as well as doing the right thing for the environment.
There's so many things I love about this house. Probably the most, though, we spend most of our time on our screened-in porch and also our outside porch. So we sit there and watch the sun go down, and we sit on the screened-in porch and watch the sun come up some mornings with coffee.
Yeah, one of the things I like about it is just the openness that we have here. You come in and the ceiling just blows you away because it's so high and lots of light coming in, whether it's morning light or evening light or afternoon light. It's all there. And when you move into a neighborhood like this, where so much of the emphasis is on the natural environment, to have the house fit in to the natural environment. The cedar and the stone that they put in, and the paint colors that we chose with them, and everything just kind of fits together and makes it all seem like cohesive in one.
They built the home we wanted. We laid it out for them, and they followed it to a T. So I have no regrets. It was a wonderful experience.
And that's something we tell people, friends that have come up to visit. They ask, well, what would you do differently? We look at each other and we go, there's really nothing. And it's really because Sean and Mike and Jill and everybody took the time to kind of keep us informed along the way, kind of made it seamless to work with them, throughout the process, and just made it pain-free.
And that's why we are recommending people. We've had people who come visit, and I think they're thinking about moving, and it's a big step, but we recommend Living Stone to them because we've had such a great experience.